Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you the unboxing of TP-Link Tapo C220 camera. So first, after opening the box, the first thing we see is a quick start guide for the security camera. In many languages, it will tell us to download the app from App Store or Google Play. Here it says that the symbol on it is actually not able to recycle with other waste. Here we have the mounting template if we want to place it on the wall. Here it says operating frequency and max output power, and there is a license note. Here it comes with a plug and a cable. So this is how it looks, and right after taking it off, we see the plug here. Now here is a camera base for mounting it on a wall. We also have screws and anchors here to mount it, and here is the camera. It looks pretty nice. And there is our power plug. Here are the speakers which we can talk through, and that's it. This is all we've got from the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.